carry on where we left off. Let's get that alternator back in. So that's the alternator bolted in down there. Next thing I'm going to do is start the engine and we'll see if it's charging. What I've done is I've just connected a multimeter there so I can watch the charge rate. Unfortunately, after changing those parts, it didn't work. I'm going to have to bite the bullet now and order another alternator. It was worth me changing those parts. They were relatively cheap. It was worth a go, but unfortunately, sometimes it doesn't work out, and these things happen. Now that the alternator is still not charging, so that's got to come out. I've got to send that away to either get rebuilt or use it as a core unit surcharge. So unfortunately, yeah, back out with that. The bodywork, we're still on the search for rust, so I would like to take off the front wings at this point, have a good old look there. But also, I will be doing some welding at some point, and I don't want to damage the glass, so the glass has got to come out as well. Okay, that's the alternator out. Let's get these wings off. Well, I've missed a bolt up here, so I'm going to go ahead and undo that one. There it is. So that's the first wing off. I'm actually pretty surprised. I was expecting areas underneath the wing here, even where it's, you know, collecting mud, holding it against the side of the car, that I was expecting to see some rot. But it is actually looking pretty good so far. Very happy with that. Down here at the towing point at the front of the car, you can see that it's very rotten. I will be repairing this. After all, I'll probably be using this in the future. Okay, with the wing off, you can see now it's a similar story to the other side. Although here, you can see there's a little bit of rot, which I have to sort out. And also it's the same story with this towing eye here. That area is rotten and it needs to be repaired. Other than that, pretty happy with that. Normally when removing the windscreen, I'd recommend just cutting the rubber seal and just removing the glass. But with this car, I'm actually unable to get a seal at the moment, so what I'm doing is I'm actually rescuing the seal best I can, and hopefully I can get a new one. If not, I'm going to have to reuse this one. I'm going to leave it there for today. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers!